Thank you very much for tuning in. This is Gabriel once more from NgahTech Group. So today we are going to look at the MySQL null values. So what is a null value? A field with a null value is a field with no value, like what we have seen here. So a field with a null value is simply a field with no value. So if a field in a table is optional, it is possible to insert a new record or update a record without adding a value to this field. Then this field will be saved with null value. So we have to note that the null value is different from a zero value or a field that contains spaces. So a field with a null value is one that has been left blank during record creation. So we have seen already when we were inserting values in our previous video on how to insert values into a specific columns. So it is not possible to test for null values with comparison operators such as the equal, less than, or in between, or not equal to. But we will have to use the is null and is not null operator instead. So how are we going to do that? Let's look at select. We're going to look at some example on how this is done. So we'll say select, and what are we going to do? Let's look at which column do we have here. New. We have this cost and the SD, okay? This ID. So we'll say select ID, comma, cost, comma, from students, where, let's say where SD ID is null. Okay, and then we run that. We say that where what is happening from students, where SD is null at line 1. So let's say we select let me remove this one for example. Select course from, okay, I want to remove this. From students where SD is null. So if we run that, we're going to see that course we selected. But if we select this one, let's say course as well as SD student ID. Remember, I don't have to put the comma here again because after this we have the from. Okay, so if we run that, we're going to see everything that is null, okay, will be displayed. But if we add, let's say for example, we add another one, let's say we add another column, which is SD name, okay, is that the name also will be displayed. So that is how it is. We have to run it. But if we don't want it, we can say it's not null, okay, it's not null, and we run it. We are going to send everything that it is not null. Wherever there is null, it's not going to be displayed. Only the information that is not null will be displayed. So that's how you can actually use this is not null operator, is null operator in MySQL database. Thank you very much for watching and see you on our next video. This is Gabriel once more from NgahTech Group. Please, if you have any question, please kindly contact us for your answers or comment on the section below. Like, share, and comment. See you. Ciao.